Piggie Makes Me Sneeze. An Elephant and Piggie book by WILLEMS.
Gerald!
What do you want to do today? I want, yes. A what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Achoo! Smith, are you okay? I don't know. I do not know. Achoo! I cannot stop sneezing. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if Piggie makes me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze one more softly? Sorry. But if Piggie don't make me sneeze, then what can not be near you? When we can be best friends, then we must be apart forever. But girl, no, I do not speak. It's too late. Goodbye. Gerald. Snake. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Piggie makes me sneeze. And Piggie is not a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now Cat makes me sneeze too. Done. I don't think Piggie makes you sneeze. I think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I'm sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie! Great news! I have a cold. Good for you. The end.